If you want to turn off two-factor authentication on your Revolut account, follow these steps carefully. This process will help you manage your security settings effectively. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Access settings. Once you are in the app, navigate to the profile icon or the settings menu, usually found in the upper corner of the screen. Tap on it to enter the settings section. Step 3. Go to security settings. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled security or privacy. Tap on it to access your security settings, where you can manage two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle switch or an option to disable it. Tap on it and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may receive a confirmation message or email. Ensure that you check for this confirmation to verify that the changes have been successfully applied. Make sure to review your account security regularly, as disabling two-factor authentication can make your account more vulnerable.